Guys, check it out. So we're over here in Guilford County, and we just finished up this lovely Carolina Stanley, okay? The Carolina Stanley is actually one of our 5 lot models that we have on display there in Burlington. But anyway, it consists of 2,405 square feet. Today's video is going to feature 3 bed, 2 bath, an office, a huge living room, and a family room, guys. So this plan literally has it all. This front elevation or front exterior, whatever you want to call it, does consist of an optional front porch. It does not come with that front porch. We literally build that front porch on site. So we're going to pick out everything from the material of the pickets and posts, the depth, the width, what goes up there in the gable. Do we want to do cedar shake? Do we don't want to do vertical siding? I mean, we're going to pick it all out, guys. What type of material for the decking? This particular porch today features composite decking, which is a very big upgrade, but very high in demand. So I will walk you through all that stuff, guys. So we're going to go around the right side because there is a garage that I'm sure you're seeing there on some of my drone shots. So this is a really cool angle, kind of showing you that garage feeding into the utility room. So I get questions about garages all the time. Our site doesn't do a great job of telling you that garages can be put on any plan, but I'm here today to say, hey, look, garages are built on site just like that front porch. So all that means to you is that they can be on any plan, any style, or any size. We're going to go through all the finishes, the dimensions, all that stuff, okay? So this is a 24 by 24 2-car garage. Now, what's unique about this one, though, is it's actually a drive-through garage. So we've got doors on each side. You can just drive right through that bad boy. So how cool is that? Exterior door, windows, really good stuff. And then that door takes you right into the utility room, which we'll obviously get to a little bit further along in the tour. Okay? All right, let's get inside and take a look. All right, so when you open the front door of the Carolina Stanley, what's really nice about this plan is you have this little entry area here. Got a little outlet there, and then you've got a coat closet. So nice coat storage closet right here off the front door. Gonna be nice for guests and all that good stuff. And then that opens up into this just enormous open concept here. So to my left is going to be that living room area. You are seeing the 9-foot ceilings today. You're seeing the fawn floor coloring today. It's one of the 5 included flooring colors. And then this really large living room opens up into the dining and the kitchen area. So on my left, I've got that dining area. To my right is that huge island kitchen. I mean, look at the size of that island. Absolutely enormous. And then you probably have picked up on this in the past with these Stanley videos, but basically that entire wing of the house is flex space. So from the other side of that wall to the end of the house, the other side of that wall to the end of the house, this particular customer set it up very similar to our lot model. So we're going to have a secondary den or family room and then 3 additional bedrooms on that side of the house. What I want you to realize, though, is this wall is non-load bearing. It could be wide open to that secondary den. That can be framed out for a 5th bedroom. So this actually could be 5 bedrooms on one level. It is purely a flex wing, so you can set it up how you want to. You have seen videos of this particular plan as a 2-story. Long story short, you can do the staircase there or to the right of that front door right there. So we actually slide it in right there to the right of the coat closet. All right, so let's keep going here. onto the kitchen. So what you're seeing here is an actual true double wall oven. So our model there in Burlington, we have a Stanley on display. We show a wall oven and a microwave. This is your true wall oven. One thing I would kind of notice when comparing it to our model, no under cabinet transom windows or above cabinet transom windows. So none of those, where our model shows under cabinet transom windows. So that's something to kind of notice. In our model, we don't have we don't show the under cabinet transom windows, we do show the under cabinet transom, so we don't have a transom over that window. This customer didn't do the under cab transoms and then added that one. That's something to kind of notice. And then this customer elected not to option in the frosted glass pantry door, or he elected not to do the bifold barn door or anything like that. So just your included interior door there. Wanted to show you this range. So this is really nice. A Wolf gas range there. Wow. Huge island. Big pot and pan drawers there in the island. 2 of them. Really nice feature there. All right, so let's keep it moving. Let's knock out this spare side of the house, or the flex space. So now we are entering what I'm assuming they're going to be using as like a family room / den. You'll notice the TV outlets there and there. So going to be a hangout area, I'm assuming. All right, so we got a lot going on here. Bedroom, if you're going from biggest to smallest, it would be bedroom 4, bedroom 3, and bedroom 2. Okay, so this bedroom 4, the smallest of the 4, is sometimes used as an office. That's actually what you're going to see today. So you'll notice there is no closet in here. So on paper, this is going to be an office. And this is the Carolina Stanley, just to say it one more time. The Carolina Stanley, it's at 2,405 square feet. This particular model is going to be walked as a 3-bedroom, living room and a den and an office. Here we are at bath 2. Very popular question. People say, Shields, can we just do a stand-up shower in bath 2? There you go. Just know that the tub shower insert is going to be included, so you're going to think of that as an upgrade, but it's definitely doable. The double vanity sink is a really nice feature that you do not see in many spare bathrooms. So straight ahead, you've got a linen storage closet, and then on each side of that storage closet are bedrooms. All right, so we're going to cross that main space and go check out the master suite and the utility room. I'm going to tell you guys, it is a fantastic master suite. So I wanted to show you, that is a air return grill. Okay, that is what you were seeing being boxed out on this side. That's usually in the closet, but they had to take the closet out because they couldn't call it a bedroom, I'm assuming. So those are all things we'll kind of talk about. Straight ahead, another storage closet. I mean, there's storage everywhere in this house. But before you got to that storage closet, to the left, right off the kitchen, basically, is going to be that utility room. Really solid utility room. Nothing just, too extreme, but it checks the boxes. So you got your attic pull down for storage. You've got a storage closet here, a water heater closet, or a storage closet or whatever. You've got room here for storage or, whatever. And then you got your spot for a washer and dryer. And then that opens up, or this exterior door here opens up to the garage. All right. On to the master suite. Just a huge bedroom. Absolutely huge. Off the front up there is the closet. Let's go ahead and knock that out. Really nice size closet. This customer actually elected to leave out the shelving, and he's going to be doing some on-site shelving. You've got room back here for some additional storage as well. Check it out. Double French door. I mean, this is a bathroom. So behind this door is it shocks me every time, a really good size linen closet. On that same side, you got the 4x6 shower, the open air concept, no door. We've got it in both styles, door or doorless. Notice the shampoo box there. They did not run the tile to the ceiling. Just stuck with one can light there. Sometimes people add an additional can light or additional shower head. None of that stuff here today. Got your water closet. Our model does not have a window in this room. I love that. More natural light. And then on that same right side of the room, you've got your beautiful standalone tub. All right, guys. So you walked a one-level Carolina Stanley with me today. Had an attached garage off the back. It had a beautiful front porch, a drive-through garage, actually. Beautiful granite tops that you're seeing again here in the kitchen. Wall ovens. I mean, what a house. My email's down there at the bottom of the screen. If you have any questions, please reach out to me directly with that email. Thank you guys for all the subscriptions, new videos every Monday and Thursday. Please subscribe and click that little ring button there so you're alerted each Monday and Thursday for my new videos. Thank you guys. Take care.